Hi angels, welcome back to another resin video. So we're gonna be making another resin shirt jersey. This one's a jersey. I've had this for years. I'm obviously not wearing it, so I was like, let's cut this up and add some resin on it to see how it will turn out. So I just put this tube top on there. Obviously, guys, watch my last video. You saw that I also put this top in some resin and a brown. It didn't fade, but it was much like a brighter brown, but that's not what we're talking about in this video. So I just put the tube top on top, and now I'm just going to be cutting up this shirt. And enough, and oh my god, why can't I not speak? And obviously I've already mixed up my resin off camera just to save time and to also get rid of some of the little tiny bubbles, because there's always bubbles in there. Always. Sorry about all the noise. There is a tornado watch, and it's like after 6 now. Yeah, 6:10 a.m. So yeah, we just cut in the size of the shirt. Probably should have cut more. I still think it looks good. Cut. I'm just gonna be doing the same thing to the side as well. This is gonna get very messy because of all of the sequins just flying around. It's also gonna be getting into the resin, but I mean, there's nothing you can do about it. Just pop it up and you'll be good to go. And voila, this is how it's looking. So I'm gonna cut the top part as well, because I was like, maybe I can do oh, bless me. So I cut the top part as well to see maybe I can also put that in resin and do like a different design than what I'm gonna be doing now. Oh Jesus. One more sneeze and then ooh. Yeah, now I'm good. So the front part is what we're gonna be using. So I'm just shaking it off to see how it's gonna be looking. Oh my goodness, give me a sec. Okay, now I'm better. So this is how it's looking. It looks pretty good. So my mannequin that I already wrapped with some saran wrap. Obviously resin sticks onto anything. I mean absolutely anything. That's why I have a trash bag down. That's why I have this cardboard just laying out. So I don't want to make any mess. I want to make sure that I can take this off the mannequin easy with no problem and everything goes well. Oh, I think I end up using a different mannequin because I needed to stick it onto something with some safety pins. So we're going to be switching mannequins. Same thing as before, we have to wrap the mannequin. This is how it's looking. Where did I disappear to? Because I don't see me in the frame. I'm getting my gloves and all of that good stuff. I did pin the sides. But I'm just going to be taking the jersey and just sticking it directly into the resin and then just squeezing it out. You can see that there's a ton of resin because I'm going to be making two tops. Make sure they soak up the resin properly. Squeeze it out because we don't need all that resin. Squeeze it out and it looks good. And now we can just place it onto the mannequin and just let it lay. Well, not really let it lay, but let it lay however you want it to lay. Shake it out. I can't really shake it out. So now I'm just making some waves in it by crumpling it up. Because however it's sitting on the mannequin and however it dries, that's just how it's going to be looking, and you can't change it from then on out. So I'm just putting it to the side so it doesn't move around or anything like that. Obviously I have resin on the glove so it gets very slippery. But yeah. Making sure that the Tom Ford is showing and kind of the number is showing as well. That's what I'm trying to do here. And then I wanted to do a little knot at the side of it, but unfortunately I couldn't tie it. I definitely should have did that before I dip it into the resin. Add a little elastic around it or something and it will be perfect. But I'll stick it with a safety pin, and that kind of worked but did not work. Like I said before, my hand is covered with resin, so I'm just doing the best I can. This is how it looks. I'm satisfied with it. This resin takes 24 hours for it to be fully dry, fully cured, and all of that good stuff. So we're just going to let it be. And I'm just giving you guys a quick little close-up of how it's looking. It looks pretty good. I mean, it's decent. Okay, so this is how the resin corset top look on. Voila! I didn't feel like changing or getting dressed like how I usually do rest of these. I just placed it over this black shirt that I had on and then some shorts. But yeah, this is just how it turned out. It looks fine. I like it. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I can sit in it. Everything feels fine. Everything looks good. Yep. That's pretty much it. I just add some Velcro around the back, the top and the back just to attach everything. And it looks good and it's as hard as a rock and it's pretty comfortable to wear. And this is just how it looks outside in the sun. I like it.